Traditional tartare, recipe vertical bar, classic French steak tartare, $100, 10, 0030. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make a classic French dish called tartare. It's made with raw minced beef, seasoned with spices and herbs, and served with vegetables and an egg. $100, 30, 01, $0. Brief overview of the recipe and ingredients. This recipe is simple and full of flavor. Let's see what we need. Presentation of ingredients, 1 minute. 01, 00, 01, 30. List of ingredients. Show the ingredients arranged on a table. 200 g, 7 ounces. High-quality beef. Minced 1 small shallot. Finely chopped 1 tablespoon capers. Chopped 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce. 1 egg yolk, salt and pepper to taste fresh parsley. Chopped cornichons. Small pickles. Optional, finely chopped chives. A few dashes of hot sauce. Toast or baguette slices for serving. Preparation, 10-12 minutes. 01:30, 02, $. Preparing the beef. First, make sure your beef is very fresh and finely minced. You can ask your butcher to do this or do it yourself at home. 02, 00, 03, $. Mixing the ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the minced beef, chopped shallot, capers, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together gently. 03, 00, 04, $. Adding the egg yolk. Make a small well in the center of the beef mixture and place the egg yolk inside. You can mix the yolk into the beef just before serving. 04, 00, 05, $. Adding the herbs. Sprinkle the chopped parsley and optional chives over the top. Mix gently to combine. 05, 00, 06, $. Adjusting the seasoning. Taste the mixture and adjust the seasoning with more salt, pepper, or hot sauce if desired. Serving and closing, 1-2 minutes. 06, 00, 07, $. Serving. Serve the tartare immediately, garnished with chopped cornichons and extra parsley. It pairs perfectly with toast or baguette slices. 07, 00, 08, $. Closing. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Try this recipe and let me know how it turned out.